Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Today we are going to talk about a different device. It's not a OnePlus, but then again it's a budget king when it comes to the price segment of between 15 to 20,000 rupees. Now the phone we are talking about is the brilliant Mi A1, and what you see on the screen right now is it is running official Oreo update with quick charge support with all the Oreo goodies. So today's video is going to be a preview or a quick review of Android Oreo update for the Mi A1. Now before we begin, let me remind you guys that the giveaway for the Redmi 5A is on and you can go ahead and participate in it right now. Everything is mentioned in the description with a link which will share all the details about the contest. Once again, hello awesome people, let's have a quick look at the Android Oreo update for the Mi A1. So this is the Xiaomi Mi A1, comes with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage and a Snapdragon 625 processor. 3000 mAh battery, dual camera, so that's the specifications, and it was launched as a Android One device. That means it will be running pure Android just like any other Pixel or Nexus device. At the same time, initially Xiaomi had promised that they will be giving the Oreo update by the end of December 2017, and they have lived up to their promise. Not only that, they have also packed a few goodies which people were not expecting. So let's have a quick look at this particular update. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to look at how you can get this particular update. So all you need to do is you need to go to settings, then you need to go to apps and notifications, or apps if you're on Android Nougat of course, then click on apps. And then at the top right hand corner you will have these three dots. So basically we need to go to system apps. It might be shown a little different in... Okay, you see this Google Services Framework. Now tap this and you need to first force stop it, and you go to storage, clear data. Now once you do this, reboot your phone and just go ahead and check for the update. I'm pretty sure you should get the update. This is how I got my update. Now let's begin talking about the ROM itself. Now the first and very important feature that I noticed here is that it has got fast charging support. So I used my OnePlus 5T charger and it was charging pretty quick. Not as fast as dash charge, but then again compared to the previous timings it is charging much faster. Apart from that, if you have a look at the app drawer, you can scroll up from anywhere. The moment you swipe up, it opens the notification drawer. So that's another Android Oreo goodie. And if you swipe down once, you will directly have access to settings. You don't need to swipe down twice like earlier. And the notification shade, basically the color has changed. And along with that, if you have a look at this, these icons and the animations are much better. Now apart from that, if you go to settings, okay, that is how you edit the quick settings style. Let's go to settings. Now this is how the Android Oreo settings look, and this is as good as you can get on a phone which is below 15,000 rupees. And it is the first phone, Mi A1 is the first ever phone to receive Android Oreo in the mid or the budget segment. So that is really nice. Now one nifty feature that we're going to talk about is this battery percentage toggle. So if you tap on battery and there's battery saver, there you go. Now this was not available in Android Nougat, but in Android Oreo they have pre-included it. You can always go for adaptive brightness, and in my couple of days usage, like I'm using it since yesterday, and the battery life has improved. It charges faster, the animations are smoother. Not only this, you have notification dots as well. Now what that does is, if you tap and hold, see app info, or if you do that, if you tap and hold on Play Store, it'll take you to My Apps. If you tap and hold on phone for that matter, there you go. So this is basically something like assistive touch or smart touch or whatever you want to call it, but this is an Oreo feature. As always, the Google Now page is on the left, but overall what I've experienced is it is much smoother. It works well. The phone ideally didn't used to heat up earlier as well, but now it performs even better. So let's go to settings again. Now as you can have a look at the settings menu, it is completely changed when it comes to Android Nougat. If you go to system, and let me show you the Android Oreo goodie, is the patch that is available is the December 2017 security patch, and if you tap, there you go, that's the Android Oreo Easter egg, and if you tap multiple times you should have an octopus. There you go, and you can always play around with that. So that is that. Now apart from this, now with Android Oreo you also have support for instant taps. Now what instant taps does is, if you open a particular app in say Google Chrome and it is something that supports instant app feature, all you need to do is you need to click on instant app, and without installing the app you can experience the app. So there are a few apps that support that, and it is increasing day by day. Now if you go to settings again, and if you go to security, there's something called as Android Device Manager, which is now known as Find My Device. Apart from that, Google Play Protect is also included in this particular update, and one of the most nifty and important updates or improvements that I've found in MI A1 with this update is that the fingerprint scanner is much faster. The lock screen, let me show you the lock screen. The lock screen looks a little different compared to Android Nougat. And the best part, or the customization point of view part, is that if you go ahead and install the Substratum theme engine, what that basically gives you is out of the box support for this particular theme engine, because it is pre-included in Oreo. Now if you're unrooted and on a locked bootloader, you will have to buy an add-on which is about $1, like $1 US or something like that, 75 rupees when it comes to Indian currency. That is not a lot, and if you look at the possibilities, see, there you go, that is the add-on that you'll have to download. But then again, once you download that, it gives you endless possibilities to theme your phone and make it look all black or all red and different things. So that is another very good and nifty Android feature that has been included in the Oreo update. So what we're gonna have a look at next is picture in picture. So this is Vimeo. I'm playing a video right now. If I just press the home button, there you go. So you can go ahead and roam it around the screen and keep it anywhere you like. You can close it, or if you tap twice you can pause, play next, and you can also go ahead and maximize it. So that is the picture in picture mode that is working fine on Android Oreo. So brilliant stuff there. So those were the first looks and the first impressions of Android Oreo on the Xiaomi Mi A1. Now I will be making a detailed review after using this phone for a week. How is the battery life? How does fast charging work? And are there any bugs or not? These are the first initial impressions. I really hope you liked the video, guys. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to look at the description box for the giveaway contest of the Redmi 5A. If the channel makes it to 4,000 subscribers by the 31st of January, I will be giving away a brand new Xiaomi Redmi 5A. Thank you for your time, guys. Goodbye.